So I'm going to go over the weight really briefly. Up here we've got 3 bolts drilled and glued into the rock. They're all pretty solid. I've checked them out. The rock around them is good, which is an important consideration when looking at how solid your anchor is going to be. And then what I've done to make sure that no one of them is taking the entire burden of the rope is I've set up a cordelette tied in 3 ways so that each bolt is sharing the weight. Each one only has 1/3 of the strain on it. And that's important. When you're building anchors, you always want to have everything backed up. You don't want to be on any one piece. All right? So what I've used to extend these is some quick draws to make it come down even further so it gets over the lip of the rock and that there's no rope running over the rock. And then for the base of the anchor, I've put 2 beaners on it, one locking, one not locking. You always want to have a backup here as well. So we've got 2 beaners in case one breaks. Shouldn't happen, but you always want to be backed up. Then the rope goes through both, and then you throw it down. And before you throw it down, you want to yell down to the ground, rope, just so people know to watch out and not get hit by the rope. All right?